Hello and welcome to 40-Foot Ringo. We're going to do a 5-minute or less Photoshop tutorial here in taking a dull photograph and making it vibrant and full of color. We're going to go from this to this, creating a nice glow and light leak. Now, first thing we do is click on the active layer, go to Image, go to Adjustments, and go to Hue Saturation. We're going to pump up the saturation to about there. Looks good. Click OK. Go back to Image, go to Adjustments, and go to Brightness and Contrast. We're going to pump up the contrast. You'll get a really nice difference between the color and the dark and light shadows. Now we want to create our light leak and glow effect. So we're going to come down here and we're going to create a new layer on top. We're going to go over and pick a brush, pick our color, pick a nice sort of orange-red glow. Right there, maybe a little more red. There, that looks good. Click OK. Then I'm going to make a nice big brush and take the hardness all the way down so we have a nice soft, make a nice big brush. Bring my flow down to about 30% or so. That way it doesn't come on all at once. As you can see, it paints a nice glow there. Now we're going to change the blend mode to overlay. And as you can see, it creates this nice glowing effect in the background. It kind of molds in to the existing colors. Now, what I'm going to try to do is to create a faint light leak here. I'm going to concentrate around her hairline and her shoulders, adding a little bit more in the background there, because we have to also consider where the light is coming from. So see that hot spot just over her right shoulder there, your right, that would be our sun. So we want to concentrate and think of our perspective. So a lot of light leak coming here over her right shoulder, there in the hair, coming over here on the right-hand side, going down her shoulder. Add a little bit more in here to the background because it will illuminate that. That looks good. Now we're going to go up to make sure we're active on our regular layer. Go to Image. We're going to go to Color Balance. Now I'm going to add a little bit more in the midtones here. I'm going to add a little more red to give her skin a little bit more of a red glow. Then I'm going to go down here to Shadows, and I'm going to add in some blue to create some contrast to the background there. And there we have it. And that's pretty much all that needs to be done. A very quick and easy way to take a dull and lifeless photograph and make the colors pop in Photoshop. Again, from this to this. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like, don't forget to comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, this is 40-Foot Ringo. Cheers.